Welcome back to Entertainment Room, my favorite channel, always bringing you celebrity updates.
What you're seeing is the Ethiopian ritual. I'm just trying to connect with nature. I'm just trying to fall in love with nature. Hi guys, good morning from this side of my world, guys. This is Ethiopia, guys, and we're somewhere called Entoto Park. Guys, as you can see, we are in the middle of a park. And we are surrounded by amazing trees. And then huko ndani kuna tents. Jana we went somewhere called Unity Park, and I think the highlight of my day was to see the HAILESELASSIE monument. So guys, this is a monument of Haile Selassie, the last king of Ethiopia. He died in 1974, and oh my goodness, I just feel so amazing. I feel so privileged, you know, to be here in this throne and just to see this. It's beautiful, guys. It's beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. He looks so real. Wow, yani they did an amazing job. So pretty. Oh wow, look at that, guys. Look at that. Wow.
Thank you for watching. Keep enjoying Entertainment Room.
Wait, listen.
Huh?
Listen.
Yes, baby.